Hello everyone! Thank you for watching Sena's Trip Tips. This is Sena. Today we will be going to Yabij, Japan's Great Barrier Reef in Miyako Island. It's the largest coral reef and has one of the most prettiest Miyako blue oceans in Japan. So, let's go check it out! Morning guys! Today we are going to Yabij in Miyako-jima to do snorkeling! Yay! So now we are at Ikema Port. We just crossed the bridge from Miyako Island and we will be taking a boat for about 30 minutes to the snorkeling point. So Yabij is one of the most biggest coral reefs in Japan, one of the most prettiest, famous, and nice spots to do snorkeling. It is so big that it's as big as 1/10 of the size of Miyako Island, and that is so impressive. It spreads about 70 kilometers from north to south and about 6 kilometers from east to west. So you can imagine how big it is. Today the weather is perfect, super sunny. We have friends on board with us on the boat, so I am quite sure we're gonna have a super exciting and fun day. So let's go check it out. By the way, we have another YouTuber right over there today. We have another YouTuber on board with us, which is kind of interesting, but I'm excited. Neba-san.
Konnichiwa.
Yay! Let's go.
Let's go.
That is the Ikema Bridge. And we have our another family friend members. You're gonna have a short briefing.
そうにマスクをするときにキーポイントがあります。この鼻の下のスカートの部分、これが鼻。
They're brushing their mask so that they won't be cloudy when they're snorkeling. ネマさんです。あ、いいですか、ビデオ。Gonna go to the boat. Yay! Excited! So we just had a short briefing about how to do snorkeling, and now we are on our way to the boat.
学んだことアウトプットしたら
学んだこと？
マスクについて。
あ、マスクについてね。
これからインフォメーションいいじゃん。
うん、すごい知らないこといっぱい教えてくれた。今までいかに適当にシュノーケルしてたかが分かった。Are you excited? Are you excited, baby? 行ってきまーす。It's one of the most beautiful scenery sights. It is super pretty out here. Take a look. Look how transparent the water is. It is amazing. So we're gonna try going in the water. We're just gonna stay here for 30 minutes and get used to the water. Oh, it's quite cool.
じゃあママバイバイは。
Bye bye.
ぴっちゃん、海入りたい？海。感想は？
あ、めっちゃ綺麗よ。はい。It's very pretty. There's a coral reef in front of this boat. Lots of beautiful fish. So we just took a very, very short swim inside this spot right over here. And it was very, very magical. It was so pretty. We will be going to the next stop, which is even more pretty. So I am looking forward to it. It's super hot. It's about 33 degrees today. So we have to hydrate ourselves a lot. But it's so great. We are at our second stop. Yay! sort of deep, deeper than the first stop that we just stopped at. Let's see what kind of creatures we can encounter. Second point.
ここは深いですよ。でもう
はい、すいません。
下で巨大なナポレオン、多分なかなか出ないですから。もう人が来たから出てきたね。ナポレオン、ナポレオン。
待ち組は次です。来てるかな、来てるかな、来たー。来たー。ちょっと取った。重い。
There's five fish, that's amazing!
ついてました。
このお魚食べれんの？
食べれる。ぐるくん。
So much fun! Good for kids. I think they're having fun. It is so beautiful. I want you guys to see how pretty the color is.
ここはパンドラ浜サンゴ、有名な浜サンゴがうわっと増えてて。
Pandora Hamasango. So there's a Pandora coral reef at this spot. This is the third spot. It should be totally different from the second point. I'm looking forward to it. It is a drop off, so you can see that there are waves. Each point has a different characteristic, so that's why it's so. Oh, kamera! There's a turtle, guys! So there are lots of other boats, there are a lot of snorkelers, and it's time to go snorkeling. Let's go check it out! port. So we went to 5 total snorkeling points today, starting from this morning, 10 a.m. I have no idea what time it is right now, but we have spent the whole day doing snorkeling. All the points were gorgeous. I had so much fun. It was a great day. The boat captain and the guide, they were both very nice people as well. I had so much fun. We're back! Okay guys, so we are back at Ikema Port. The guide told us that no other group has ever done 5 snorkeling in one day. So I think we made a record. The ocean in Miyako Island was just as pretty as the ocean in Maldives. So I was very impressed. So we rented a whole boat for the whole day. A maximum of 10 people can join, and you can rent snorkeling goods, and there's a boat captain and a guide, and the total price would be 50,000 yen. Usually all the tours are only half-day tours, but if you rent a boat, you could use the boat for a whole day, so you could do a whole day tour, so that's a good thing as well. So I highly recommend it. Make sure to check it out. Actually, you have to check it out. You have to snorkel at Yabij when you come to Miyako. So thanks for watching! So guys, thank you for watching Sundays Trip Tips. If you thought the snorkeling points were beautiful, give us a huge like. And if you would continue our journey with us, make sure to subscribe. Thank you! You can say bye! Bye-bye! Bye! Breathtaking. It's cool.
そうそうそう。僕はカメラの